So here we are in part 5. Jestem z ciebie dumny. I'm proud of you. You can also say jestem dumny z ciebie, meaning that you can exchange z ciebie and dumny. So dumny means proud. Z ciebie it means from you or of you. So jestem z ciebie dumny. If I was a female, I would say jestem z ciebie dumna. It would be a at the ending. Thank you, but why? Dziękuję, ale dlaczego? So, thank you, but, ale, dlaczego? You are a good person. Jesteś dobrą osobą. Dobrą osobą. Okay? Good person. Nice of you to say that. Miło z twojej strony, że to mówisz. So, miło z twojej strony. Nice from your side, if you want to translate literally from Polish. Z from your side. Strony means side or page. Że, that, you are saying this, to mówisz. Nice of you to say that. Miło z twojej strony, że to mówisz. You can just say miło z twojej strony. And then just start. You don't have to say it's nice of you that you are saying that. You just can say it's nice of you. Miło z twojej strony. Że to mówisz, that you are saying that. Can you put the shopping in the bag? Czy możesz włożyć zakupy do torby? Czy możesz? Czy, remember, almost always we put it when we ask a question. Możesz. Can you? Czy możesz? Can you put? Włożyć. Włożyć zakupy do torby. Zakupy do torby. The shopping to the bag. To the bag. In Polish you say to the bag. In English in the bag. To the bag. So do torby. Czy możesz włożyć zakupy do torby? There are no bags here. Tu nie ma żadnych toreb. So there's no bags. Nie ma toreb. There isn't any bag. Or there isn't any bags here. You say żadnych toreb. So żadnych reflects any. There isn't any bag. Tu means here. Tu nie ma żadnych toreb. Why are you dressed like that? Dlaczego jesteś tak ubrany? Why? Dlaczego jesteś tak means here not yes. It doesn't mean yes. It means how or like that, like this way. Dlaczego jesteś tak ubrany, dressed up? If she was a female, we would say ubrana. Okay, ubrana. Because I'm going on a date. Ponieważ idę na randkę. Because, ponieważ idę na randkę. You can say idę na randkę. You don't have to say it in Polish. If it's at the end, you can say ponieważ idę na randkę. I'm going on a date. What are they talking about? O czym oni rozmawiają? You can also say o czym oni mówią. But I'm gonna use a new word, which is different, a little bit different from mówią. Rozmawiają means, rozmawiać means that there is a conversation going on. So, two-sided conversation at least. O czym oni mówią could be what are they talking about. But it doesn't mean that it's not always meaning that there is a conversation. So here it means that I'm trying to know what are they conversating about. O czym oni rozmawiają. I'm not sure, it's hard to hear them. Nie jestem pewna. So, female, nie jestem pewna. Ciężko je usłyszeć. I'm not sure, nie jestem pewna. Or pewny, if it was a guy. Nie jestem pewna. It's hard, ciężko je usłyszeć. Je refer to them. Je usłyszeć. Usłyszeć means to overhear or... Okay. Are you sure everything is okay? Czy na pewno wszystko jest w porządku? So we notice the czy Czy na pewno wszystko jest w porządku? Wszystko means everything. W porządku means it's okay. Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm sure. Tak, jestem pewny or pewien. So you can use pewien in the male situation or pewny. Why you can use pewien? Because some adjectives have this no gender form or this form, that there is no it at the ending, okay? You don't have to worry about that. You can use pewny for males, pewna for females. If you see pewien, know that it's like pewne. This cake is so sweet. To ciasto jest bardzo słodkie. Bardzo, so, słodkie. Sweet. You don't have to eat it. Nie musisz tego jeść. Nie musisz, you don't have to. Tego jeść. Eat it. It means tego in this situation. I would like to print out some files. Chciałbym wydrukować kilka plików. So I would like, chciałbym. It's a nice way to say chcę. Chciałbym wydrukować kilka plików. Wydrukować kilka plików. Print out some, kilka, files, plików. Sure, it will be 3 zloty. It will be, sorry. Pewnie, będzie to 3 złote. It will be 3 zloty. Or it will cost 3 złote. Pewnie, będzie to 3 złote. So that was all for this one. If you have any question, please contact me and see you in the next video.